Hey, it's Ben. I got these T25 Torx bits that the company just sent to me to make this video. Let's get them out and test them out. Okay, so this is a pack of 10, and these are T25, as I said. This is a nice pack, so this is like something you use a lot of, these T10 bits. Then this multi-pack will come in handy because it's just going to last you that much longer. So these are made out of steel. So obviously nice and solid and durable. They're also just made with precision, so they're going to fit into your screw just right. They are magnetic, so that's going to help with just keeping connection with your screw. And they're 2 inches in length. So this will be great to fit right down into your driver or your screwdriver or your drill. So I'm just going to stick it in. We're going to give this a test. All right, let's just give it a little test run. Works great. A lot of people like the Torx or the T fitting because it's not going to slip out like a Phillips or obviously a flathead will. But these work great. I like that they come in a case. Just handy to, you've got your whole set of these T25s if you need them. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.